I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your cat near the in-game computer and opening the terminal menu. This gives direct access to programs. Once done, check the power meter and close nearby doors to avoid interruptions, then select the first app listed. You do this because the computer runs tasks that affect environment variables. Starting clean prevents lost progress. Make sure to equip any tool required by the app before launching so the subsequent steps run smoothly and without reloads. You now navigate the app interface. Choose the task, set priority, and input parameters. This controls speed versus accuracy. As you proceed, use the keyboard shortcuts displayed to move faster and avoid menu backtracking. Watch the progress bar and log so you can intervene when patterns or errors appear. Pausing lets you tweak settings without losing partial output. Continue iterating until the task reaches completion percentage you want. Because fine-tuning here determines the quality of the final result. You finish by saving the result with a clear file name and backing it up to a chest or cloud slot so you can revert if needed. After saving, exit each app cleanly and close the terminal to free system resources and avoid memory leaks. If the computer freezes, force quit the app and reload your last save. Make sure power is sufficient and any mods are compatible, because most hangs are due to low power or conflicting modifications. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the game if simple reloads fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.